Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter Highline panel van. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The vehicle comes finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and across the front of the vehicle it has a colour coordinated front bumper complete with a set of front parking sensors along with front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the van, we can see it comes with the rear loading barn doors, some transporter badging located just above the rear number plate, as well as a rear colour coordinated bumper with rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the doors and into the rear load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply-lined, as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and there's a step for easy access. Up front in the driver's cab there's an armrest on the driver's seat. Next to this is a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. In forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to access all your favourite radio stations, including DAB as well as FM radio stations. Users can also opt to connect with the App Connect feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Once reverse gear has been selected, the parking distance control will automatically pop up on the screen. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left is a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, which has controls from everything from driving data as well as accessing assist settings like cruise control.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.